Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are building a website with Squarespace and want to collect emails in 2026, newsletter updates, offers, content drop, so adding a newsletter in sign up form is one of the smartest moves you can make. Squarespace has built-in newsletter blocks, no plugins, no code, no headaches. In this guide I will show you step by step how to add a new sign up in Squarespace in 2026 cleanly, correctly, and like a pro. So first thing first, open page where you want the sign up. So log into Squarespace, open your website, tab pages, open the page you want. Okay, for example, any page. Click edit, and you must be in the page edit mode. Okay, so add a newsletter block. So hover where you want the form, click add a block. Okay, and choose newsletter or email sign up. The sign up form appears instantly. Default fields are added. This is different from a regular contact form. Okay, so click the block, edit fields. You can collect email only, add first name, optional, rename fields, labels, because fewer fields equals higher sign up rate. Okay, so choose where emails are stored. So click storage. You can store email in Squarespace, email campaign, MailChimp, Google Drive, other supported services. If you plan to send emails, connect an email platform. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you guys in the next tutorial.